Adobe's Project Indigo camera app may be drifting away from its original appeal to smartphone photographers looking for a natural SLR-like look. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Adobe's Nextcam team is adding a bunch of generative AI tools to its Project Indigo experimental camera app that introduced last year. The team behind Project Indigo said the goal is to explore how generative AI can assist mobile photographers at the point of capture. Called AI Playground, the initial version will offer 4 sections: object editing, styles, photo guidance, and custom edit, each of which allows users to lean on AI assistance through several buttons or toggles. In object editing, you can remove distractions like people, cars, or signs, and blur the background to mimic a more shallow depth of field. For the style section, Project Indigo can alter a snapshot by converting it with buttons like pen and ink or ink line with color wash to resemble drawings or paintings. With photo guidance, the app will dish out a critique of a photo and even offer suggestions before you take your next shot. And as the name suggests, the custom edit feature will offer users even more control through prompts. Adobe is currently using Google's Nano Banana model to run its AI Playground, but could switch to other AI models in the future. AI Playground and Project Indigo is currently free, but Adobe is limiting the availability to a few % of our users and only for a few weeks. Depending on the feature's success, the team may extend the availability or offer access to more users. However, the Adobe Nextcam team said on its website that we can't offer it for free forever, and if the feature proves popular, we will eventually offer a paid version. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.